A lot of people are cashing out using WhatsApp beyond just chatting and gisting, and you equally want to be one of those people. In this video, I'm going to be bearing it, or I'm going to be spilling the tea on how you can go about it. So this video is actually for everyone. Whether you're a stay-at-home mom, there is something for you. If you're a student, there is something for you. If you work a 9 to 5, I've got you covered in this video. So you want to sit back and watch to the very end, because you don't want to miss out on any of the teas that I'm going to be releasing in this video. Let's turn that app into an ATM. Hey besties, you're welcome back to the channel. How you are doing? If you're coming across this channel for the very first time, you're most welcome. I am Philomena, your personal finance bestie, helping you to build wealth one smart money move at a time. And this is the Philforce community. So on here, I bring you business ideas, passive income ideas, investment tips, productivity videos. If this resonates with you, please hit on that subscribe button, like this video as well, and share with someone. And okay, let's get right into the video. WhatsApp is the home for your mini importation business. So you can actually import items like wristwatches, bags, phone accessories from China, or you link up with somebody who is already doing that and you're posting it on your WhatsApp. Trust me, people are keen into this particular business right now. A lot of people are even learning it. Once you start doing it, people are going to be asking you, oh, how are you doing it? How are you doing it? They can equally pay a token to learn it from you. This is one business that I know a lot of people are actually making money from right now on WhatsApp. Aside just importing these things and selling it on WhatsApp, they equally teach people for a token how to go about it, and they're making money from that as well. So it becomes multiple streams of income, right? Mini importation business is good right now. Once you have these items imported, take clear pictures of your product and put it on WhatsApp. Continuously market it. Find a way around it. If you can dance, please dance. Funke Akindele is still dancing, even as a billionaire. She's still dancing to market her movies. If you know you don't want to show your face, use memes to sell your product. Like, create memes from your product. Let people come to WhatsApp, because one thing that people come to WhatsApp to do is to relax, right? So when they come to WhatsApp and they are relaxing, they are scrolling up, they see your product, you post a meme that is related to your product, it makes them laugh, they feel relaxed, and before you know it, they're asking you questions. How much? And from there, you are making transactions, you are making sales. You will actually be surprised at how many women make their buying decisions on WhatsApp. And that is why selling fabrics like Ankara, laces, English materials is actually a very profitable business to use your WhatsApp to run. Aside being an MBA student and a financial educator, I'm equally a fashion designer. So last year we had a convention in my church, and there was this lace that I needed to buy. My church actually chose yellow lace for us. So there was this lady that was actually posting it on her WhatsApp from time to time, and I saw it. So when I went to the market to buy some things, I was just like, okay, when I go to the market, it will be cheaper, and let me buy from there. When I heard prices that they were giving me in the market, I didn't even bother, because one thing with the market is you go from shop to shop asking, and that day I didn't even have the strength for it. Guess what? I just went back to WhatsApp. I met her like, okay, there was this sample that I saw, because one thing with WhatsApp is that you get to see all the things that you need, because people are constantly posting these things. You see the different ones that they have. So I just went back. I'm like, ma, please, can you just send me the different yellows that you have? I chose the one that was within my budget, and that was how I bought it. So you can see that even me, that I'm a fashion designer, that I could still go to the market to buy, because I did not just want to go through the stress of moving from one shop to the other. And most times these people, they will not even give you like their direct price. They will go and inflate the price because they want you to be bargaining with them. That day I did not just have the strength for that. I went back to the house, I went to my WhatsApp, and then I bought the lace. So what am I saying? A lot of women just like myself are still making their buying decisions on WhatsApp. So you want to capitalize on it to sell things like fabrics on WhatsApp. People are going to be patronizing you. Now, who doesn't like to smell good at a very affordable price? And that is where perfume oil comes in, because most of these perfume oils, they last long and they smell so good. You can start the sales of perfume oil, and a lot of people are going to be patronizing you. One thing I equally learned, selling on WhatsApp, is people like to buy from people they can trust, because a lot of people on your WhatsApp, they know you, in one way or the other. They feel like they trust you more buying from you than just buying from someone outside, right? Because if they have any concern around a product, it's just easier to communicate it to you. Should we talk about the very obvious one, which is the sales of virtual recharge and data? This one is so profitable, and it's something that you can do with your WhatsApp. Once people know that you're selling data and cards on WhatsApp, they are going to be reaching out to you, because everybody wants to be connected with data or communicate with their recharge. So yeah, that is where you come in. The sales of virtual recharge cards on your WhatsApp is a doable business. So if you have been sleeping on this one, I actually know someone who builds websites. She sells virtual cards and I've patronized her a lot of times. Outside her 9 to 5 as a web developer, she still sells virtual cards because the cash can never be enough. Hello, we still need more money, right? So yeah, you can even go further to sell wire cards, DSTV subscriptions, and all of this you can do from your WhatsApp. This is the age for digital products where you have a knowledge and you create a product around it, and that one product keeps making money from you from time to time. So what are you knowledgeable about? What is that thing that is so special about you that if they close your eye like this, you open the other one, you can talk about it, you are an authority in that field. So let's say you know how to cook very well. People are always complimenting your cooking. You know your onions when it comes to cooking. So why have you not created a digital product around it? Why not create recipes around it? Oh, how am I going to do that? Since you already have this knowledge, use ChatGPT to help you expatiate it, right? So when you go to ChatGPT, you give it a prompt of what you already know, and then it helps you fine tune it, and then you create a digital product from it. You can be selling it on your WhatsApp. 30 recipes of how to cook Nigerian food, recipes on how to cook Chinese food. People want to cook intercontinental dishes. If you already have this knowledge, people are ready to buy those courses from you as well. So create digital products around things that you already know. People are buying courses on how to style themselves, how to speak well. People are buying courses on different things. In this era, when a lot of people want to jackpot, if you have jackpot successfully and you know the routes that people are going to take successfully, you create a digital product around it as well. You are selling it on your WhatsApp. People are going to buy immensely. If they're not buying for themselves, they are buying for somebody that they know wants to make that decision. So you can see that we have been sleeping on money for some time now, and we cannot be doing that anymore. It is what you have, you use to get what you want. So once you have a knowledge, you can monetize it, create digital products around it, and put it on your WhatsApp, and definitely you're going to be making sales from time to time. The beauty of dropshipping is that you don't even need to own this product personally. You don't even need to have a physical store. Just from the comfort of your home, wherever you are, just post the product on WhatsApp. Whatever you're drop shipping, whether it's furniture, hair, whatever the product is, post it on your WhatsApp. When someone makes an order, you put your profits on the actual price, right? So you're not just going to tell the price and that's it. You will have to add your profit to it because this is business. So when you add your profit and then somebody makes an order, you take away your profit from it, you send the other money to the seller, and then they deliver this product in your name. That is how drop shipping works. So if you are a student, you are a stay-at-home mom, you work a 9 to 5, this is one business that you can do. All you need to do is to be the middleman or the middlewoman that links the buyer and the seller, and you're making your cool cash. So if you are a great writer, this is the time where you can monetize that skill, because I don't know why a lot of people are sleeping on so many skills that they have. So what you're going to do right now is to go to Canva and use the free version of Canva, right? You may not want to use the premium version. Just design a flyer, that says that you can write CVs for people, put it on your status. Another thing you want to do, okay, is to give hints to people on how to write good CVs. One thing I've noticed is that a lot of people don't want to do the work. So even when you write out these tips sometimes for them, they still want you to do the work. But what it's going to do is that it's going to make them realize that you actually know your audience. Like, you know this thing that you're actually telling them that you offer as a service. So once they see that you're giving them these hints, they will come to you to do the job for them. You've started making money from that skill that you have, writing CVs for people. A lot of people need people to write for them, proofread for them. That is where you come in and you can monetize this skill using WhatsApp. I know you have heard, use 000 as my code and you're going to get 10% discount. Use 222 as the code and you're going to get 20% discount. This is what we call affiliate marketing. So when you promote people's products and services, you get an affiliate link for it. You put it on your status, you put it on your page for people to know that, okay, these products and services, they can actually get it at a 5% discount, 10% discount. With these discounts, people are actually bound to make those purchases, especially if they've always had it in mind and then they just see the opportunity to do it, right? So you can actually become an affiliate marketer using WhatsApp. So these are some of the businesses that you can actually start cashing out on right now using your WhatsApp. Thank you so much for your time here. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel as well, and share this video with someone that you know is going to be impactful too. And see you in this video where I talk about businesses that you can start with 50,000 naira.